Thinking about a new car, or just curious about which ones are worth the hype? Either way, you're in the right spot. After diving deep into expert reviews from Consumer Reports, I found 5 cars that stand out as nearly perfect choices. They're not only budget-friendly, but they also offer incredible reliability, saving you from the constant repair headaches that some cars bring. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, share your favorite brand in the comments, and subscribe for more insider car tips. Let's get started. First up is the 2024 Toyota Corolla, a car that impresses with its sleek design without going overboard. The front grille is wide but now has a more refined, modern touch, with sleek, elongated LED headlights that give it a sporty edge. The well-defined hood lines add character, and on the sides, the 18-inch alloy wheels, especially on the sportier models, really stand out. The rear end has been updated with clean, LED taillights, giving the Corolla a fresh, modern look. It's a compact car, yes, but it manages to look both elegant and dynamic, perfect for any urban setting. Inside, the Corolla is designed for practicality and comfort. It features an 8-inch touchscreen in the center console that is compatible with both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, making it easy to stay connected. The controls are user-friendly, whether it's the steering wheel controls or the climate system. The seats are well designed for comfort, especially on long drives. Higher trims come with premium touches like synthetic leather and chrome accents. There's plenty of space inside, comfortably seating 5 people, and the trunk provides ample room for luggage or groceries. It doesn't boast extravagant luxury, but includes everything you need to feel good while driving. Under the hood, the Corolla offers both gas and hybrid engine options. The standard version comes with a 2.0 liters engine delivering 169 horsepower, ideal for everyday use. If fuel efficiency is a priority, the hybrid version shines with an impressive 50 mpg, perfect for saving at the pump. In terms of safety, Toyota doesn't skip on features. Automatic brakes, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assist come standard, thanks to Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 package. This is a reliable car that prioritizes the safety of both you and your passengers. The price starts at $22,500 for the base model and goes up to $26,000 for higher trims. Competitors like the Honda Civic and Mazda 3 are in the same category, but the Corolla stands out for its reputation for reliability and long-term value. Plus, Toyota's extensive service and maintenance network adds to the peace of mind. If you're looking for a car that won't let you down and offers a great balance between price and performance, the 2024 Corolla remains a safe bet and knows how to stay relevant in the market. Next, let's talk about the Mazda CX-5, which offers a distinctive look right from the start. While it maintains an elegant style, it features modern touches like a front grille with a 3-dimensional pattern, making it visually striking. The slim, sharp LED headlights give it a bold, aggressive look, while the smooth body lines reflect light beautifully, especially in the new Soul Red Crystal color, making it stand out on the road. Higher trims come with 19-inch alloy wheels that enhance its solid presence. This isn't just another SUV, it's one that turns heads wherever it goes. Inside, every detail of the Mazda CX-5 is designed with your comfort and enjoyment in mind. The cabin has a minimalist design, with everything thoughtfully placed. The 10.25-inch touchscreen is large and easy to use, and the seats are designed for comfort, with ample adjustability, making long journeys a breeze. If you love music, the available Bose sound system will elevate your listening experience, making every song sound incredible. The cabin is spacious enough for 5 passengers and their luggage, and I particularly love how firm and well-designed the steering wheel feels. Mazda truly thought through every detail to ensure your driving experience is enjoyable. Under the hood, the Mazda CX-5 offers 2 engine options. The standard 2.5 liters engine delivers 187 horsepower, making it perfect for city driving. If you're looking for more power, the turbocharged version with 256 horsepower is ideal for highways and long road trips. Mazda has prioritized safety, equipping this SUV with features that offer a protective shield for you and your family. Prices start at $28,000. reaching up to $39,000 for the fully equipped models. The CX-5 competes with the Honda CR-V and Toyota RAV4, but it stands out with its sophisticated design and a driving experience that's more dynamic and refined than other SUVs in this category. With Mazda's reputation for reliability, the CX-5 is definitely a top contender. It's a well-rounded package that meets all your needs. Next, we have the Tesla Model 3, which maintains its minimalist design with subtle updates that enhance its appeal. The front, still grille-less, is clean and aerodynamic, now featuring slimmer LED headlights that give it a sleek, futuristic look. The streamlined sides flow into a rounded rear with updated taillights and an integrated spoiler. In the performance version, redesigned wheels not only improve the look, but also enhance the car's aerodynamic efficiency. The Model 3 doesn't demand attention, but it definitely gets it. Every detail is designed to reduce air resistance and maximize range. Inside, stepping into the Model 3 feels like entering a futuristic, minimalist space. With no physical buttons, everything is controlled via the 15-inch central touchscreen, which serves as the heart of the vehicle. The seats are spacious and comfortable, with heating available in all versions. There's more space in both the front and rear trunks, perfect for road trips. One feature I particularly love is the panoramic glass roof, which creates an incredible sense of openness. Tesla's approach focuses on simplicity without sacrificing comfort or functionality. The Model 3 offers something for everyone. The base version features rear-wheel drive and accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.8 seconds, while the performance version can do it in just 3.1 seconds. Range is also impressive, up to 354 miles per charge in the long-range version. As for safety, Tesla leads the way with features like autopilot, emergency braking, 360-degree cameras, and the optional full self-driving system, although supervision is still required. With all these features, it feels like the car is constantly looking out for you while you drive. Prices for the Model 3 start at $44,000 for the standard version, reaching up to $45,000 for the performance model. Its closest competitors are the Polestar 2 and BMW i4. While the Model 3 offers great features, it stands out for its impressive range, cutting-edge technology, and Tesla's expansive charging network, which remains the most comprehensive. Additionally, Tesla's low depreciation makes it a solid long-term investment. The Subaru Outback continues to reign as the go-to vehicle for those who embrace adventurous styling, blending the look of an SUV with that of a station wagon. It's perfect for anyone looking for the best of both worlds. This year, it's larger, with a more defined design for the LED headlights and black moldings around the wheel arches and lower protection, reinforcing its off-road character. The adjustable roof racks are incredibly practical for transporting bikes, surfboards, or other gear, making it ideal for outdoor enthusiasts. Yet it doesn't look out of place in the city. Inside, the 2024 Outback offers a robust and comfortable atmosphere, with a dominating 11.6-inch vertical touchscreen and intuitive controls. The seats are spacious and supportive, making it an excellent choice for long road trips. There's ample room for both passengers and luggage, and if you fold down the rear seats, the cargo space expands significantly. Subaru has also included practical touches, such as extra pockets and USB ports throughout, creating an interior designed for both adventure and daily life. For performance, the Outback offers two engine options: a standard 2.5 liters engine with 180 horsepower, perfect for efficiency and reliability, or a 2.4 liters turbocharged engine with 260 horsepower, ideal for towing and smooth passing. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive comes standard, meaning the Outback is ready to take on any terrain, from snow to rough paths. It also includes essential safety features such as automatic braking, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and Subaru's EyeSight system, which remains one of the best in its class. Pricing starts at $29,000 for the base model, with top-tier versions like the Touring XT reaching up to $33,000. Competing with vehicles like the Toyota RAV4 and Honda CR-V, The Outback stands out with its all-wheel drive and off-road capabilities, offering exceptional reliability and resale value. If you need a vehicle that can seamlessly transition from city streets to mountain paths, the 2024 Outback is tough to beat. Finally, the Toyota RAV4 takes the crown as the best in this list. With its bold yet modern design, the front grille remains large, giving it a commanding presence, while the angular LED headlights provide a sharp, aggressive look. The pronounced wheel arches and straight lines on the sides reinforce its strong SUV style, and the Adventure and TRD off-road versions add rugged finishes and all-terrain tires. The rear features sleek LED lights and an integrated spoiler, giving it a sporty edge. Inside, the RAV4 offers a practical and comfortable cabin. The now larger 10.5-inch touchscreen dominates the dashboard and offers wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility. The materials feel durable, making it perfect for daily use. The front seats have optional heating and good lumbar support, while the rear seats provide ample space, ideal for both adults and children. There's plenty of storage space, and the trunk is generously sized for your needs. With enough space for a weekend getaway, the RAV4 is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. The vehicle comes with multiple engine options. The base 2.5 liters engine delivers 203 horsepower, offering both efficiency and reliability. There are also hybrid and plug-in hybrid versions, with the Prime model boasting an impressive 302 horsepower, providing a perfect blend of power and fuel efficiency. Safety is a top priority with Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 package, which includes automatic braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. It also features blind spot monitoring and cross-traffic alert, giving you peace of mind on any journey, whether on highways or more challenging paths. The RAV4 starts at $29,000 for the base model and goes up to $43,000 for the fully equipped versions. Its main competitors include the Honda CR-V, Mazda CX-5, and Subaru Forester. While each has its strengths, the RAV4 stands out for its renowned reliability, hybrid options, extensive service network, and exceptional resale value. If you're looking for a versatile, economical, and adventure-ready SUV, the Toyota RAV4 remains one of the best choices on the market. So those were 5 almost perfect cars, according to Consumer Reports experts. Which one stood out to you? You have a favorite in mind? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you make a decision or you found it useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any future videos. See you in the next chapter.